Hey folks, Mike here with Stone Coat Epoxy. Have your countertops, tabletops, desktops, and old worn surfaces seen better days? Don't toss it, coat it with Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. Are your countertops scratched, discolored, burned, or cracked? Have coffee cups left their mark? Has the water damage from your sink taken its toll? Don't be alarmed, Stone Coat Epoxy has you covered. The process is easy. Pick your color, pour your epoxy to a perfect finish. If you can use simple hand tools, you can do Stone Coat Epoxy over your old existing surfaces with ease.
I had no experience whatsoever, and look what I made. I love it.
Thank you, Stone Coat, for a great product that is DIY friendly. We just installed our new home countertops.
We got this!
Stone Coat Epoxy is do-it-yourself friendly. It's easy to use and there's no nasty smell. It's zero VOC, eco-friendly, and you get amazing first-time results. These surfaces are family-friendly and they're time-tested to handle real-world conditions. This stuff is tough. If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Stone Coat Epoxy is heat resistant. We're gonna spray this alcohol right on this finished piece, light it up, and watch what happens. Woo-wee! Beautiful. Best of all, you won't break the bank because Stone Coat Epoxy is affordable.
This is my own countertop, and with 2 young kids, it's held up beautifully.
If you're on the fence about the durability of Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, well, check this out. I make longboards for a living with their epoxy. Very durable, very solid.
Stone Coat Epoxy is perfect for RVs, boats, trailers, and dream houses. From motorhomes to mega mansions, Stone Coat Epoxy will save you thousands on your next project. Don't spend thousands of dollars to save your surfaces. Come behind the scenes and follow our step-by-step downloadable, printable instructions and master in minutes what took us years to perfect. Best of all, our easy-to-follow tutorials are absolutely free.
This is the first project we did. Countertops, full backsplash at a bar. Had no idea how it would turn out, but it turned out amazing, and people can't believe that it's not granite.
Our video follow-along instructions cover some of our favorite colors, from Black Galaxy, Patina Copper, Blue Pearl, even Carrara Marble Honed, Ubatuba Granite, Baltic Brown, striated earth tone techniques, and we have black marble, classic quartz, and honed soapstone.
Stone Coat Countertops has inspired me to do my kitchen island, build my own countertops, and remodel my bathroom. If I can do this, anyone can. You got this.
Don't settle for cheap imitations. You can mimic Mother Nature for realistic finishes and remodel in a weekend. With over 902 5-star reviews, Stone Coat Epoxy is customer tested and contractor approved.
Hey, Brian Gary, American Builder. I'm on one of my construction sites. Guess what we're using for the model room? That's right, 34 floors of apartment buildings. And the model has Stone Coat Countertops. You know why? Because Stone Coat Countertops is approved by Brian Gary. More importantly, it's approved by American Builder. Guess what they always say to me? And they're right. You got this.
You got this. Laminate, solid surface, natural stone, quartz, and even concrete can cost thousands. Your Stone Coat Epoxy project costs only $5 a square foot. That's unbelievable.
I want to thank Stone Coat for the best epoxy I've ever used. We use Stone Coat Epoxy in our firehouse, and if it lasts through that, believe me, it'll last through you. I have a sample right here. We're gonna roll over this puppy with an 86,000 pound ladder truck. Getting a little bit nervous. What do you guys think? Now that's what I'm talking about. Thanks Stone Coat from Paul's Toolbox. You got this.
Hey guys, Ron and Draculas here, RK3 Designs. We exclusively use Stone Coat Countertop products to teach the next generation of professionals and DIYers like you.
We love Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy for the endless possibilities we can create. Our only limitation is our imagination.
On this project here, we were able to replicate the look of natural wood grain. We got this!
I love Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy products. This is a table that we made. It was so easy and turned out so good and so much fun.
I started using Stone Coat a little less than a year ago, and it was so successful and easy to use that I was able to quit my day job and do countertops full time.
Stone Coat Epoxy is made in the USA.
I've been using Stone Coat Countertops Epoxy for about a year now, and I love it. It outperforms any that I've used in the past, and their customer service is unbeatable. Thanks, guys.
I've never worked with epoxy before. This was my first project ever, and I decided to tackle a big one. You're able to get cool veins, cool color combinations. Really, it's at your whim what you'd like to develop. I love the fact that I have an undermount sink with an MDF countertop. Who needs granite when you have Stone Coat countertops? Thanks, Mike. You got this.
Remember to order, go to stonecoatcountertops.com or call 541-450-1976. At the end of this video, we have an option to click to order. So go to the end of the video and click to order now.
I love how they sound, how they play, and I love my Stone Coat countertop table. Sycamore, sycamore, sycamore gold in the center.
A year and a half ago, I had never built a thing. But after watching the Stone Coat countertop videos and using their product, I built this. Thank you, Stone Coat.
Stone Coat Countertops rocks.
I went to stonecoatcountertops.com so I can get this, so I can make this. You can too. You got this.
With Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, you can make artwork, whiteboards, Lazy Susans, tables, countertops, and more. With Stone Coat, you got this.
You haven't used Stone Coat Countertops? Just have a look.
I use it exclusively. I started my own business, and I had my first showing at a local restaurant in Athens, Atlanta. Thank you, Stone Coat. You rock.
Some MDF, some scrap wood, some spray paint, and Stone Coat countertop products. I was able to come up with something for my mantle that I will cherish for the rest of my life, I guess.
Guys, we had so much fun making this video. It was an absolute blast. If you got any value out of this content, crush that like button, share this with your friends, help this video get seen. Guys, visit our website anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you on the next video.
Are you okay?
Let's do it again. That'll be the outtakes.